We've come halfway around the world to the Great Wall of China. You know, the Great Wall was built over hundreds of years by no doubt thousands of people who constructed it out of natural material like stone. But today we're here to talk about a company called Dassault who uses another natural product and is a global leader in using this product, and that's bamboo. Some of the products we make are flooring, furnishings, and many other products for both indoors and outdoors. But as you watch this video, you're going to see how Dassault manages the forest, the bamboo forest itself, through harvesting, into design of the products, and then on out to the finished product itself. We'll see the factory and many other things. So as you watch this video, you're really going to see how Dassault is a global innovator of bamboo products. I'm here at Dassault's Eco-Solid Forest factory. You can hear some of the factory sounds in the background. But here we're really at the first stage of the whole process of transforming this beautiful green bamboo into Eco-Solid Forest flooring. This area is just designed for containing the bamboo. It only stays here about a week or so. And we're close to the forest, which is only about 30 miles away, and that helps keep the product fresh. Once it comes here, it sits for only a week, and then it's transported into the factory to begin the process. So it's really cool how they get it there. A little old time, but check out what happens. The bamboo stalks are then placed on the cart and sent to the facility for processing. Then each stalk is cut to a 4-foot length. The steaming process kills any potential insects and allows for the carbonizing process to take place, followed by pressing to flatten the bamboo stalk. Planks are now ready to have a tongue and groove or click system cut on the edge. Once the homemade machine finishes the edge cutting process, random planks are chosen to test the quality of the click system and to ensure that each plank is the same thickness. The last step includes a final QC and packaging. The hardness of a flooring is tested by dropping a steel ball from a consistent height. The indentation is measured, and the actual dent can be seen on typical bamboo. Eco-Solid, on the other hand, shows only the location the steel ball hit by the ink print left from the carbon paper. No impression was made. So there's the tour of our Eco-Solid Forest factory. You can see that it comes from the green bamboo all the way to the Eco-Solid Forest floor. It's an incredible process, patented process, by the way, and I can't tell you all the details, but we saw today cutting from the forest, splitting it here in the factory, running through many other processes, and then end up being Eco-Solid Forest flooring. It's green, it's renewable, it's sustainable, super durable, and excellent for any project that you're working on. So today we're talking about bamboo structure. What's the difference between horizontal and vertical? Well, let's go all the way back to the bamboo stalk first. This is what bamboo looks like when it comes out of the forest. Everyone's seen a green bamboo stalk. But this piece is split into a number of pieces, somewhere around a dozen or so. And then once that is split, here's what you get. It's the raw piece before it's planed off. So you still have the inner chamber where the joint or the knuckle is, and you still have the green side. So this is run through a planer, and essentially it squares off all four sides, about 3/8 inch thick and about inch and a half wide. So when these pieces are put together in a flat fashion, that's what's referred to as horizontal. You can still see the joints in the bamboo. When they're glued together like this, with the long side glued together, that's referred to as vertical. Now take a look and see what it looks like when it's finished. This is the vertical piece here. You can see the strips are laid in like this. And this is the horizontal piece here where the strips are laid in like that. And of course, in the traditional sense, it comes in two colors here. You see the natural, which is just the natural color, or the carbonized, which is kind of a caramel color. Now today, bamboo comes in different varieties. You have a strand woven bamboo, and you can achieve many different colors with this particular product. Also, we have a product called Eco-Solid. This is Eco-Solid Forest. It's a beautiful, beautiful product. So if you want to know more about strand woven bamboo, or eco-solid forest, you can go to our website. But this just gives you a general idea of what the difference is between horizontal and vertical bamboo. Hi, I'm Rick Gill with Dasso. I'm here today with Tom and Dave at Brewmark, and we're looking at an incredible project that they've developed. It's a bamboo conference table. And of course, we're interested because we provided the bamboo. So guys, let's go in the conference room and take a look and see what's going on. All right? Sure. Dave, this is a really cool conference room table. How did this whole project get started?
Well, first, thank you. In fact, this project started because we moved into our new space, and we wanted a very cool conference room table that was also very functional. So the team came together and we looked at a lot of different materials and colors and styles and decided on this particular design, and using some upscale materials, specifically the solid bamboo countertop, which is outstanding.
Thanks, Dave. Well, let's turn to Tom Barnes for just a moment. Tom, you were the designer of this conference room table. Tell me, what really inspired this design?
What we're looking at was an organic shape to help break up the square lines in the room. We had a long, boxy room, and as you approach it, you wanted something that would allow people to really kind of flow around a shape. We wanted a presentation space where the speaker could walk in amongst the actual presentation group and not feel like they're impeding upon their space by walking behind them, creating an awkward situation. So the design was to allow somebody to actually approach a screen, interact with the presentation, and also interact with the presentees. That way they felt like they're mingling with the group.
So how did your team like working with the product?
We're lucky to work with a lot of variety of materials, a lot of exotic materials, plastics, just a number of different surfaces and substrates. What was unique and nice about this is that the material handles machining very well. We put it on the CNC, it cuts quickly and cleanly, you get very little chip, you get very little deterioration of the edges of the material. As far as finishing goes, it's great. Very light sanding, you put a coat of sanding sealer and lacquer on it, and it's a finished product. One of the other really unique features that I found with this is that after we machined it, you can actually see the compressed layers of bamboo, and the unique detail it gives to the edge of the table is quite fascinating.
So you can see what Brewmark did with this beautiful bamboo panels. Made an incredible conference room table. So now really the sky's the limit, whether it's cabinets or refacing or whatever the case may be. We have the panel size for you, from 1/4 inch up to 1.5 inches. So think about what you can do with Dasso bamboo.
I'm Nicole Sims with Bell Carpet Galleries, and I've been here at Bell for 13 years. I really like the bamboo products, although I'm more inclined towards the woven strand products because they are a little bit more unique. Coming out of the gate, I guess you're getting a superior product with the standard vertical and horizontal bamboos. There's such a variety of price points out there due to the quality of them. So it's hard because if somebody's shopping the bamboo on the internet, all they're looking at is price, and they don't have any understanding of the quality of the bamboo, whether it was harvested like Dasso does in the 5 to 7 years versus something under 5 years. And that definitely affects the quality of the product. And I think that, if people like bamboo, that's great, but I do think that the woven strand offers a more designer look as well as a better product. And I think Dasso has some wonderful woven strand looks that are great. I really like them. This is an example of a bamboo from Dasso that's really unique looking, which is what I like. I like things that are unique and not like something that what people would typically think of as bamboo. This is great looking. It'd be great, and I can just see it in a spa. I could see it in a boutique. I could see it in a yoga room. I could see it in a sunroom. It's really a nice look, especially to people who really want a nice Asian kind of theme, which is very popular with people in their styles and homes. So I think this is a great look, especially if you're going for a nice Zen theme or something like that.
Hey Billy.
Hey Rick, how you doing today?
I'm doing real good.
Good to see you.
Listen, we're with Billy Alfred here at Georgia Floors in the Alpharetta, Roswell, Atlanta area. A great store, great location. Billy, how long have you been here?
You know, we've been at this location for 2.5 years. We've been in the flooring business here in Atlanta for 25 years. Wow. It's great.
Yeah, so you've been rocking and rolling in this area.
You know, we've been doing fantastic, seeing the growth of Atlanta, and of course we've grown to other locations as well. So it's been fantastic. Atlanta's a great market to be in, and we're just real happy to offer consumers great flooring. And of course, one of those products that we offer is the Dasso hardwood line. So it's really great.
Great. Let's talk about Dasso for just a moment. And I know this bamboo is very new to you, but what are your thoughts on the Dasso bamboo?
Well, the Dasso bamboo is actually a great, very unique product. And if you take a look at all the lines that are here from Dasso, there's some great stain colors. There's some wire brush styles, which are very unique. And if you look at the bamboos from Dasso versus the bamboos that are available out there for most of us right now, there's just no comparison.
Right,
there's a huge difference. This product, you know, the softness of this is incredible versus the density and the hardness of these Dasso products. As a matter of fact, these products are going to hold up so much better than the bamboos that are available at the big box stores and at the discount houses. It just really makes it easy for the consumer to come in who has a very active family with children and pets, get a product that's going to hold up and look great for them after years of use, and just have a beautiful, great experience with Dasso and Georgia Floors.
That's excellent. So there's a real future for Dasso bamboo in your area.
Absolutely. It's a great product. It's green, and to help the earth, we all need to get behind bamboo.
That's exactly right. Thanks so much, Billy.
Thank you, Rick.
We
appreciate
you taking your time.
You betcha.
I'm here at the Dassault home office in Hangzhou, China. And here we are at our Great Wall, if you will, some of the products and projects we've produced over the years. For example, if you look at the first one here, you can see wind turbines that are crafted from bamboo to increase and produce green energy. Then in this office scene, beautiful ceiling tiles as well as wall applications and furnishings. Then one of our most notable projects, the Madrid airport, the bamboo ceiling slats, incredibly crafted from bamboo. Then also we see exterior applications with XDR and interior applications in automobiles, in BMW dashboards. And finally, two other locations. The Shanghai Financial Building has an incredible array of bamboo on the wall, and in the Microsoft offices here in China, they have bamboo countertops. So these are just some of the projects and products that we've created over the years, and on the horizon are many new products and many new projects that will be crafted from Dassault bamboo.